Welcome to a world where fitness is fun and every step counts. Today we're plunging into an epic leg workout that's all about power and endurance. This journey begins with a classic, bodyweight squats. Stand firm, chest high, and descend into strength, engaging your glutes and quads for 15 reps. Next, we're turning up the heat with lunges. Whether you're stepping forward or reversing, keep your form, chest elevated, and conquer 12 reps on each leg. Feeling the intensity? That's your body applauding your effort. Now we're zoning in on the calves for some added definition with calf raises. Lift those heels, hold and descend. Aim for 20 reps. Finally, we're spotlighting the inner and outer thighs with side leg raises. 15 reps each side will have those muscles singing. That's a wrap on our quick-fire leg workout. If this sparked your fitness flame, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, continue to conquer your fitness goals.